Hi guys, today we are departing from Brussels to Amsterdam. So I'm going to share with you my experience riding in the Thalys train. This is a 2 hours train journey and now we're heading to the train station. So without further ado, let's go! Goodbye, Brussels. We've arrived at the train station. (9:52) Amsterdam.
Voie 17, suite à l'intervention des services de secours, à prendre le train S2 à destination de Scarbeck et Louvain. C'est à destination de Carouane et Saint-Nicolas de 9h17. Will depart from track 16. Voie 17.
Alright guys, you can see there's a glass surrounding here. This is not for the smoking area, but once these environments get very windy, it will get very cold. So they actually have this area for us to actually go in and have some warm environment. Let me show you. So when you come in here, the wind can't come in, so you can actually stay in this area while waiting for the train to come. So the train will be coming from there then. I've heard about Europe train always had an issue on its punctuality. And this is not the first time I had experienced this. Previously, I had experienced the train delay from Florence to Pisa due to strike too.
Liège-Guillemins de 9h38, voie 17 au lieu de voie 14. Spoor 14, spoor.
As I entered into the train, there were places for passengers to place their large luggages on the side. Inside of the car, there were overheated shelves for hand carry bags. As I have a mid-sized backpack, I have placed my bag on this head shelf for easy access. The seats weren't too spacious or too tight in my opinion. In front of the seat, there was a foldable table and a power plug. There was also a jacket hook above the seats too. Oh yeah, they also have a free Wi-Fi in the train for its passenger, which was nice. After some time enjoying the view, let's check out their bathroom. When I opened the door, there was a sink and a mirror in front of me, and at the back, there was a toilet bowl. overall, the toilet is clean and decent. The train had passes a few station stops, which allows us to enjoy the scene along the way. While we continue our journey to Amsterdam, I have managed to take some time to do some of my work on my laptop. I've tried out its free Wi-Fi, and I think the Wi-Fi was decent, but not as fast as what I expected. But since it was free, I can't complain. Alright guys, we've arrived at the Amsterdam Central. So I think that's all for my sharing on this Thalys train. I hope you have a good glimpse of this train and what facilities that you have there here. So now I'm going to go and check in and explore more on the Amsterdam. If you like my video, please do press the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you haven't already done so. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.